Thursday, April 25th, Anzac Day for our Australian and New Zealand followers. See what's going on with Dad today.
What? On the big steel table there.
New rods?
Half-inch rods. They're about 10 inches long. The other side of the table.
Hi.
Hi.
So it looks like Dad's helping Perky out with his bogies.
There, you know.
Hey, I know you're not fully fucking concentrating. I can't help that. I'm trying that. It's not working. Not enough days off. We're using half-inch bolts, so naturally we would need a half-inch pin. I think you got your mind on something else. I don't know where it is.
Just trying to please you, man. That's all.
No, no, you're thinking about other things.
No, I'm
A
not.
dog that got lost,
thinking
or a
about-
skidoo that you need a deal on, or some fucking thing. All right, some coffee.
I'm glad you
I'm
own.
only fucking kidding.
I'm glad you own that one.
I'm only teasing you. I know.
Okay,
Coffee
so
time.
these guys, that's venting a little bit here and Bob's just taking it. So what's going on here today? Clearly we're working on bogies, but
I'm short of parts yet, so
okay,
we're gonna rebuild some bogies.
okay. And how many have you got rebuilt so far?
One.
All morning, one.
Well,
Okay.
we've taken them apart and cleaning them up.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's a lot of bogeys, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay, let's have coffee.
okay.
That's a lot of bogeys.
Yeah, okay. So what do you got here?
This is a new license plate
Okay,
that anybody can have. This one's going to go on Hartley's machine,
okay,
and anybody who wants these new license plates, they're
Peds, Threads, Logo and Apparel.
yeah.
And it's Cindy Pedwell, owner, and there's all the contact details. We'll put it into the
Phone number and everything.
yeah. So that's actually pretty cool.
Yeah.
I actually wanted to make you some metal license plates, so maybe she might be able to do that.
Well,
So something for the customer where you can, it's that last final touch.
well, you can put an old plate in behind for
Yeah.
a stiffener, and
There you go.
There you go.
Looks pretty cool.
yeah.
And that's Perky's friend from
Yeah.
Denair Beach, so they sent that down.
Compliments
Of
John,
John Evans. Yeah. Well, there you go.
But his daughter makes them.
Yeah. Well, we'll definitely do a shout out on the channel on that
Yeah.
one. So if you guys want some of that custom logoing, that's the contact details. We'll put it in below here in the video, and you can order your own stuff.
I imagine you get that on a coffee cup.
Oh yeah, I want to see
Well,
coffee
this will
cups
go right
actually,
up
and
behind an old license plate for the stiffener.
yeah, there you go. We're sitting talking about logos here after Dad's gift of a license plate, and Perky asked him, "Well, do you guys have a logo?" And Dad said, "What did you say?"
I'll be with you in a minute. This.
Okay, light
Think.
bulb. Yeah.
We want the
think.
light on, don't we? Not
Okay.
off.
The light's off right now,
Light, the
So-
light on, you know.
but I want the light on
Okay.
when
There you go.
when we're working
wondering.
together.
Is my face going to be on the logo then?
Well,
or what?
yeah, a little. So yeah, it's just the zinger one-liners. Think. So, okay, guys, that's it for today. And Dad's still waiting on parts. I just got a notification. I got to go pick up some parts from the bus depot here and order a whole pile of other stuff this morning for him. But it's hurry up and wait like normal. So he's helping out Perky with his bogies, and
I
Burke-
can't go any further until I get some parts. But
Okay.
in the meantime, I'll help him out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it, guys. See you in the next video.